In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable customer file uploads in support requests. If you've ever needed customers to send attachments like screenshots or documents for better support, this is the guide for you. Stick around, because by the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything you need to set up file uploads in your support system. The first thing you'll need to do is access your support platform settings. Now, I've tested several of the most popular support platforms, and they all have a similar process for enabling customer file uploads. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it in our recommended software. The software we'll be using here today. Once you're logged in, navigate to your admin settings or the section that manages customer support or help desk settings. Depending on the software, this might be under support settings or ticket settings, so keep an eye out for that. Once you're in the settings, look for an option that mentions file uploads, attachments, or multimedia. This is usually a checkbox or toggle you'll need to enable. Enabling file uploads is typically a straightforward process. Some systems will ask you to configure file size limits or the types of files customers can upload. Make sure you set these limits according to your needs. If you allow too large a file size, it could cause slow load times or strain your system. Now, once file uploads are enabled, it's important to test the feature. Create a test support request and make sure that the upload option appears when you're submitting the request. Test it with different file types like PDFs, images, or documents, and confirm that they upload correctly. Another thing to keep in mind is whether your platform has a setting for the file storage location. Some support systems allow you to store files on your server, while others integrate with cloud storage services like Dropbox or Google Drive. Make sure to choose a method that works best for your team's workflow and security needs. Once you're happy with your settings and everything works smoothly, you can finalize your configuration. This is the perfect way to make it easier for your customers to provide necessary files for support requests, saving time and making your customer service even more efficient. Now, remember, you can take advantage of an exclusive free trial for the software we use today just by checking the link in the description below. This free trial is only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out if you want to follow along. The key takeaway here is that enabling customer file uploads in support requests is simple but crucial for enhancing your support process. By following the steps I showed you today, you can easily set up file uploads, allowing your customers to provide attachments that will help your team resolve issues faster. To quickly recap, first, access your admin settings and look for the file upload option. Enable it. Set your preferences for file size and types and test the feature. Then, make sure your storage method is set up and works for your team. Again, if you want to follow along with this process using the software we've used today, grab your exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching.